आप सभी को हार्दिक बधाइयाँ। विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी में आप सभी ने सर्वोत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया है। अब तक के एसटी पब्लिक परिवार के इतिहास में यह कीर्तिमान है, यह एक माइलस्टोन है जिसमें 200 से ऊपर क्रिएशन किए गए थे। विज्ञान से संबंधित कई रचनाएं की गई थी, कई प्रयोग किए गए थे और ये सारे प्रयोग, ये सारी रचनाएं, ये सारा नवाचार आपके नौनिहालों के प्रयास से हुआ था। आप सभी अभिभावक गण को कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद, आभार। आप इसी तरह अपने बच्चों को सपोर्ट देते रहे, सहयोग देते रहे और उनको प्रोत्साहित करते रहें ताकि वो आगे के दिनों में भी, आने वाले दिनों में भी अपने नवाचार का प्रदर्शन और अच्छे तरीके से कर सके। आपके इस सर्वोत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन के लिए पूरा स्कूल परिवार आपको बधाइयाँ देता है। यह विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी अपने आप में एक माइलस्टोन है। 200 से ऊपर प्रदर्शनी में चीज़ें रखी गई थी आप सभी के सहयोग से। आप सबों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिभावकगण। इसी तरह अपना सहयोग और अपना सपोर्ट और अपना प्रोत्साहन बच्चों को देते रहें। It looks very beautiful in the sky. Red and orange, green and blue, shining yellow, purple too. All the colors that we light up in the rainbow. Thank you. Good morning, speaking teachers and all my dear friends. I am the husband of class 1. I am the rainbow. I have studied first. Violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Thank you. Thank you. There is no life without water. Take water is your duty. Take water is your life. Thank you. My name is Dr. Teacher and I am all here to inspire our kids in your classroom. I am a drop of light. I am inspired all with being sad and good. The dogs are down, data and zero down. Thank you. Indian Space Organization ISRO was named me. I was born 20 September 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Srinagar. I studied the outer atmosphere of the sun.
Thank you, JSV.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Kerala from Standard 3D. I am here to present meditation. First, take some seeds and plant them in the sky. Then fill with water to very from absorb water towards the sky from the bodies to fire. Then seed will come out. After some days, the very plant grows its very smooth and it will grow. Finally, into the prayer time. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Sam. This is my family room for solar system. Thank you.
माइक खोल दो।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Yuki. I am Renu. I am a family of solar system. Thank you.
साथ में दोनों को साथ में रखो। Good morning, everyone. I am Mars. Number is solar system 4. I am also China and this planet. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
ऑन हो गया बटन में दबा दिया होने दो
Steam can reduce to lift the something. The force you have lift something, the distance covered by increase. Just like this.
बताइए कौन फूल लिए बताइए हाँ अच्छा बोलिए आप बोलिए
Thank you very much. बहुत बेहतरीन. Now you can take your project. Thank you very much.
My name is Aronika of class 1. I am rainbow. It looks very beautiful in the sky. Red and orange, green and blue, shining yellow, purple too. All the colors that we light up in the rainbow. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good.
I am a traffic light. I have 3 colors. Red light tells us to stop. Yellow light tells us to wait. And green light tells us go. Every time we follow like traffic lights for our safety. Thank you. Today I am planning a computer. I am an electronic device. I am a power one engineer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dara. I am from IIT. Today I am here to present a process of photosynthesis. This is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their food. Green plants require water, air, sunlight, and chlorophyll. Plants take water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
teachers and all my dear friends. I am Rita of class 1B. Water drop. I am a water without me. How can you cook? How can you drink? How can you bath? Just let us understand you.
Thank you very much. Now it's the time.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arun Joseph. I read in standard 3A. I am solar system. I am sun and due to my family, I have 8 planets that move around me to move into different parts. First Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seven Uranus, and eighth Neptune. Thank you. And my dear friends, I am here to present safe Earth and know that Earth is only planet where life is possible. Save our Earth, save our life, plant our trees, make pollution free. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, my name is
करिए तो
Thank you. Once again, it is getting launched. फिर से तालियां जोरदार तालियां जोर.
Good morning, everyone. I am Butterfly. I fly here and there. I love to be around flowers. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now it is the turn of Aradhya Kumari.
I am little 3A. That money used to me. Thank you.
सामने बाबू नेम क्लास
Good morning to all of us, directors of principal ma'am, all teachers, and my dear friends. This is my project, Rapid Generator by Web product. This is my team members, Sachin, Partha, Saman, Mansu, and Raj. Good morning to all of you. From 7th grade. This is my electric generator by using best material. The really good care of this project is some body.
लखनऊ सब पकड़
तो रेस्ट क्लास कराया।
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Clara of class 1. I am healthy food. It is very important for our body. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Saraya.
I will do Thank you.
Thank you very much, Siddharth. Now is the turn of Papa.
Respected teacher and all my dear friends. I am going to my class work. There no class to be so not to classes for welcome to nobody welcome.
Thank you.
आपके पास कैमरा कम है चलो ठीक है थैंक
Good morning, everybody. I am Anshulya. This is our working model of human digestive system. Let me explain this to you.
Maintain the silence.
The digestive system is started from our
बाबू हम लोग को पता है एक काम करिए ना हम लोग इस साइड से स्टार्ट इधर से आ जाओ
Apple is a fruit. It is a healthy fruit. It is a red color.
Speak louder and look
अच्छा कैमरा कुंदन से लिए हुए की सर सर का
start
थैंक यू
Thank you very much. Now it is the turn of her.
मिस उसके चेहरे में माइक है माइक नीचे कर दिया
क्या हो रहा है भाई
एसपीवी मोड हो गया
क्या ऑन हुई
एसपीवी मोड
ये क्या होता है
तो कैसे पकड़ेगी भी और वो भी कैसे होगा
ऊपर कीजिए अरे ये घूम कैसे रहा आपने
एसपीवी मोड हटा पड़ेगा
हटा पहले
अरे पहले लीजिए ना कैसे लीजिए ना वो पकड़ कैसे लीजिए
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. I am representing your finding this close story. Thank you. Mr. of class 1. I am mango. I am a mango. I am yellow in color. Mango is the king of fruit. Thank you.
Very good, Ritu. Can you tell me what is the color of mango?
Good morning, all of you. Today I am present a aquatic animal. I am dolphin. I am very intelligent. Thank you.
Nanya last, can you tell me something about your project?
Good morning, respected teachers, and all dear friends. I am Ananya of class 1. I am dog of love. I am excited. All living beings and animals. You cannot make me. You can only donate me. Donate us.
Thank you.
Look into the camera.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhumi Singh. I study in class 2B. I am Mahmood. I am natural sunlight of the earth. I am completely circular on a full moon night. Thank you.
Thank you. You are being a tool. Can you tell me something about your model?
Good morning, respected teacher and all my dear friends. I am Adit Aryan of class 1. I am Adit. My color is white. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Listen to your music. Brush your teeth. Morning and night. Brush your teeth. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. Aditya, can you tell me some measures to protect our teeth from you? We should brush our teeth twice a day, isn't it? Thank you. So students, हमने इस प्रोजेक्ट से क्या सीखा? Teeth.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am a dear present to donate your mother, donate to stand of benefit many people not done name Adan is Sivara Koyadan. Thank you. All of you, my Today I am a presenting a computer. I am any reference to my
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Nancy from standard 3B. We are represented by source of water. There are three types of source of water. Groundwater, surface water.
रुक जाओ हाँ बोलो
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hal from standard 5A. This is my team. Our topic is waste management. Stealing is the challenge of this water from a very cities or area and collected and very continuously under disposal where they are collected. Stealing water needs to be verified because activities are not recorded. We have also reached the stealing water is directly into the water body which can cause water pollution and a number of animals and humans get harmed or die. As the cities and villages are very fast, we have to increase the method and area for the sewage water treatment.
Okay. Show me how does this model work?
Wastewater management. Wastewater management is the process of moving company
means
Actually,
this includes physical cancer and biological, to remove physical cancer and biological contaminants.
ठीक है, तो याद किया, ठीक है, ठीक है, बोलिए बोलिए, और कौन बच्चा बोलेगा इसके बारे में?
Water in our lungs
जोश बोलो।
is a key role in many of our body's functions, to stand.
अब पानी साफ करके देखो,
Our body functions.
और कौन बोलेगा?
Most of water here is saline water and purified by 4% of water. Thank you.
my topic is water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as the addition of pollution or contaminated from natural and industrial sources that result in reducing the purity of the water. Human and animal who expert in drinking water will also contribute to water pollution. Thank you.
Our student is also easy and it's not method for the water purification. This process
Wait.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to present notice. I am the 20th class. I am national flower of India. Thank you.
Start.
And he was in school. And this is my piece. Today we are discussing about the past of the flowers. Let us talk about complete or incomplete flowers. A flower that has followed 4 parts or balls are called a complete flower. To discuss and group we have a complete flower. A flower that has any of the parts or balls are missing is called an incomplete flower. The common and big parts are incomplete flower. Simple. A complicated structure found at the base of flower is a basic flower that is a word. As the word opens, the first word from the top. Petals. Petals are brightly colored part of a flower and also are something sweet smelling. Their main function is to attract insects toward the flower. Stamen. Stamen is a main part of the flower. It consists of a long filament and a swollen head on the top called anther. Tiny yellow powder on the anther called pollen grain. Carpel and pistil. Carpel is a female part of the flower located in the center of the flower. It has a sticky or polystick hormone called style and only at the bottom. This is the only eye of this.
Very good, very good. प्रोजेक्ट को लेके जाइए
चलो इसको करो
तीनों
स्प्लिट हो जाओ
अरे यार सभी वो जो क्लिक दिस प्रोजेक्ट
मिडिल में मिडिल आओ
वेरी गुड
इसको सामने करो बुआ सामने
नाम बोलो नाम बोलो
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल
Good morning everyone. My name is Sakshi Suman from Chennai Society. This is my team. Today I am discussing about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is a third lunar exploration mission by SDPS Research Organization to be launched on July 2023. Thank you. The objective of this mission is to explore the outcome of the moon. Thank you.
wait let her explain first
Yes, the activity is longer used for the Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 mission was near that the Chandrayaan 2 mission which was the more 916 crore. Thank you. Little paper is the problem. Scientists at the ISRO will be creating the launch of the Chandrayaan 3 this year. Chandrayaan 3 mission.
वेरी गुड
लॉन्च कर दो
तो यहाँ पे वर्किंग मॉडल है चंद्रयान का और ये अभी लॉन्च होने जा रहा है सभी देखिए लॉन्च होने जा रहा है चंद्रयान 3 लॉन्च हो चुका है तालियां बैक 3 तालियां वेरी वेल डन स्टूडेंट्स थैंक यू व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning,
एवरीवन
everyone. I am Ankita of class 12. I am water drop. There is no life without me. मैं पानी की बूंद हूँ. अगर मुझे बचाओगे, समझदार कहलाओगे. Thank you.
वेरी गुड थैंक यू निशा नाउ यू कैन गो Now it is the turn of Anushka Yadav to teach from Education Project Field Dinner P2.
इधर से लो और कुछ बगल से
सामने से ले लो ठीक
कैमरा ठीक है वहां देखिए So Anushka Yadav, can you tell me something about your project? Speak up.
Good morning, respected teacher and all my dear friends. I am Anushka Yadav of class 1. I am making you have to brush twice a day. Brush your teeth. Brush teeth every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush every day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu. But you have to take care. Can you tell us how many times we have to brush our teeth? How many times? Speak on the mic. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. Isn't it? Very good. Thank you. And
Breathe.
Good morning, everyone. I am Alan Kumari from Star 78. Today I am here to present respiratory system. So first, what is respiratory system? Lungs are part of a group of organs and tissues that all work together to make breath. This system is called respiratory system. Respiration is a process by
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kumar. We are studying our original shadow. Shadow is our vision or the the object. God is like from past. Shadow always following according to prototype.
The shadow outline was very similar. The side of shadow varies with the position of the source right. You have noticed that the size of
Shadow.
shadow is long at the daytime. Our shadow is long in the morning and evening because the rays of sun are flattened.
वाह, बहुत ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया,
The
बहुत
size of a shadow and highest at the daytime is the sun because the rays of the sun are shining on the earth.
बढ़िया। सर हो गया इसका।
thank you very much. Very well done, students. Thank you.
गांधू है कि झंडू
Esophagus is 10 inches long pipe which helps in swallowing food in the stomach. The stomach serves as the storehouse of ingested food material. In this part, the food is broken down into simpler molecules by some gastric juices, and then it is passed into small intestine. Small intestine is 7 meter long, in which food is completely digested into.
ठीक है नहीं होता तो दूसरे स्टूडेंट को दे दीजिए नेक्स्ट को दे दीजिएगा
Then food is goes to small intestine. In small intestine, food is converted into simpler and soluble molecules, which means food is completely digested. After the food goes into large intestine, where water absorbs and removes their solid wastes through anus. Besides these digestive glands, there are also 2 digestive glands in our body. The first digestive gland of our body is liver. It secretes bile juice which helps in the digestion of fats. The bile juice is stored in a sac which is known as gallbladder. The second gland in our body is pancreas. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which helps in digestion of carbs and proteins in our food. Pancreas also secretes a hormone known as insulin, which maintains the sugar level of our body. Thank you. I am a star at the center of solar system. I am a ball of fire. I stand so brightly in the sky in daytime. Thank you.
Thank you. Jupiter पे जा सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Start explaining about this project.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gaurav Raj. I am from class 4A.
This is my team. I am explain about rocket. Rocket is generally a spacecraft. It's shaped like a long tube. A rocket is used to launch a spacecraft. A spacecraft is a vehicle that travel in space. Artificial satellite is the best example of a spacecraft. Rocket engines operate using combustion. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Give him a very big hand. तालियां बजाए तो जोर से. जोरदार.
We are our best friends and like to is the world without thank you.
Hey.
The long run is called action. Reconnection with the action of other neurons. The nerves acting to all parts of the body. All parts of the body. Thank you.
Now so I am what here are some here and here the
हिलेगा नहीं ना पहले कर देना
जो एसटीडी काम कीजिएगा आप इसको हिलाइएगा तो ये भी हिलेगा.
वेरी गुड बेहतरीन. चलिए नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट. इट्स द टाइम. आप सभी ने डॉक्टर्स को देखा है? आपको इंजेक्शन लगाया गया है? अगर हल्ला करोगे तो इंजेक्शन लगवा दूंगा, इसलिए तैयार रहो, आवाज नहीं करना है. Explain to you about what is doctor, what is
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Madhana of class 1. I am a doctor. I will speak to sick people. Eat only healthy food, not junk food.
Kavya is representing the model of different seasons. Kavya, introduce yourself.
Good morning, Robert. Good morning, Kavya from Standard Today I am here to present different seasons in the first summer season. This is the hottest season of the year. Second, rainy season. This is also known as monsoon season. Plants and trees is very busy. Third, winter season. This is the rainy season. This is the warm weather. Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. I am Yogan Sukrama from Standard 3A. And I am presenting water purified. Water is the land supply and all living.
कौन क्लास है बबू बोल रहे
So I had water filter to signify water. Each word has a
मैम इधर आइए, इसका माइक खोलिएगा, बताइए जा रहे हैं।
Class 5D. This is my team. Today I am discussing about layer of the atmosphere. The atmosphere, the air that surrounds the earth and revolves around you, is called atmosphere. Atmosphere are 4 layers. Troposphere, it extends up to the 15 kilometer, and we live in this layer.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर,
बहुत बढ़िया explanation है।
Atmosphere. It is about 35 kilometers thick. It is a clear cloud layer.
Atmosphere is a layer that lies above the atmosphere and is thin and electrically charged at a distance.
Exosphere. It is the layer that lies above the atmosphere. It is a very thin layer with a very little air. Thank you.
Very good.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am presenting parts of plants. Fruit, stem, leaves, and flowers are my parts. I give you oxygen and many things. So save plant and save earth.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am a sunflower. I look very bright. I am yellow in color. I look like the sun. I always face toward the sun. My seeds I use to make oil. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now,
The human respiratory system working with conjunction with the circulatory system, supply oxygen to the body cells, and removing carbon dioxide in this process. The exchange of these gases occur across cell membrane in the body is external respiration, and in the body tissues internal respiration. Breathing or ventilation pulmonary describe the process of exhaling and inhaling air. The human respiratory system contains the respiratory tract and the lungs. Thank you for your attention.
Conjunction is studying 7A. I am Priya. Good morning, everyone. I am Miss from standard 7A. Today I am here to present my model, the candy dispenser. So first of all, I would like to state our model. So basically, this is made from cardboard. Then we
दिखता नहीं है
and then push this. Candy is completed.
निकला मांगे कैंडी देख कर
It is the main function of our dispenser. Thank you. Good morning to everyone.
क्लोज करो एडवांस मॉडल बनाना अगली बार
in India them in the right instrument.
Well done, students, for making agriculture.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arnav with my team from class 7. We all are grateful to our school, which gave us opportunity to show our talent. My team is here to present a model on road accident prevention system. After a long and hard work, we all come with this presentation. In our model, we try to prevent road accident through wrong way driving. If a car moves in wrong direction, there will be an obstacle in the way of the road, which will be force the driver to drive. Thank you.
ये रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है और यहाँ पे obstacle है। और इधर से जब गाड़ी को जाएगा तभी यहाँ पे लाइट ऑन होगा, उसमें चल जाएगा।
I am from standard 8 to 3. Today I am representing Smart ST. In this project, we use a buzzer, Arduino UNO, HYW battery, and a sensor. The sensor produces ultrasonic sound when any object comes in contact with 10 cm range. This is very useful for blind person as it keeps them safe from outer injury. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sorry Sanjay from standard class 9. I am standing here to present my project, Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is a journey. Chandrayaan 3 is a journey to reach the moon with the help of objective and achieving the soft landing, exploring lunar surface, and collecting invaluable information, specific data. This mission is a technological mission undertaken by India and led by ISRO. Chandrayaan 3 was a successful mission by the Indian Space Research Organization. It demonstrated a soft landing on the south pole of lunar south pole.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am a student from standard 8B, and today I, along with my two companions, Ayushi and Arushi, going to present this typical model of animal cell. This is our model. So, as most of the people know, that cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of life. All the living organisms, from a tiny unicellular bacteria to a multicellular human being, both are made up of cells. The difference is just that a cell is made up of single cell and a human body is made up of trillions of cells. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665, but he discovered a dead cell. The first living cell was discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek in the year 1674. This cell is very unique in itself, as
also known as plasma membrane. Its main function is to separate the cell from its surroundings. Now coming to the next point, this jelly-like structure that seals most of the inside surface of the cell. This is cytoplasm. It contains many cell organelles which are responsible for various biochemical reactions inside the cell. Now, further cell organelles were defined by my companion Ayushi. Good morning to everyone. I am Ayushi of class 8B and I am here to present the cell organelles of a typical animal cell. This is mitochondria. Mitochondria is a small rod or oval-shaped structure. The important function of mitochondria is to release energy from food during respiration. Therefore, it is also known as the powerhouse of cell. This is nucleus. Nucleus is the most important part of the cell. It is present inside the cell, surrounded by cytoplasm. It is spherical or oval in shape. It controls all the vital functions of the cell. It is made up of the following parts: nuclear membrane. The thin layer that separates, that encloses the nucleus and separates it from cytoplasm is known as nuclear membrane. This spherical structure inside the nucleus is nucleolus. It is composed of nucleoproteins RNA, and it also is responsible for protein synthesis. Now coming on to endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in both plants and animal cells. It forms a network between the cell and the nuclear membrane. This is the site of protein synthesis and helps to transport different substances around the cell. It can either be rough or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now the further organelles would be described by my companion abbreviated.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Anushi from Standard 8B. Today I am going to represent Golgi bodies and metals. Golgi bodies are present in the cytoplasm both of animals and plants. They secrete enzymes and hormones. Now vacuoles are sac-like structure which contains mineral dissolved in water. They store food, wastage and water. This all about cell, animal cell and its organelles.
Good morning to everyone.
Well done, speech and group members.
During our life, now plant cell. It is also considered as related to animal cell, but the difference is that in plant some special organelles, but animal cell is not that. Plant cell has cell membrane, cell wall, mitochondria, cytoplasm, and other etc. Cell wall. It is only present in plant cell. It protects and supports and makes the outermost covering of the cell. Now, other cell organelles will be presented by Puja Bhai. I am Standard 8A. Today I am here to present cell membrane. Now, cell membrane. Cell membrane is present in plant and animal cells. It is protected by cell wall, and it is made up of now cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure and that inside of the space. Now mitochondria is a small rod and oval shape of the structure. It is released of the Thanks for your attention.
Well done, Mansi and Pooja Pandey, who has just designed here plant shape, which is very important for being a plant.
Hey.
My name is Alisi from Standard 8B. Today I am here to represent a nerve cell. A nerve cell is a type of cell that receives or sends messages from the brain to the body to any body. A nerve cell is also known as neuron. It is present in our body, especially in our spinal cord and brain. Its body is also known as soma. Thank you. Now the types of neuron is tell by different article. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Aditya from Standard 8B. Today I tell about the kind of a nerve cell. The nerve cell has 6 parts. First, dendrites. It sends signals from the other nerve cell. Second, it contains layers. Fourth, nucleus. It contains the genetic material of the nerve cell. Fourth, axon. It controls the electrical impulses in the nerve cell. It is made the axon to protect the nerve cell. Sixth, axon terminal. It receives electrical and chemical signals in the nerve cell. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Surabkumari from Standard 8. Today's science exhibition has been held in our school campus, and this is the model of human eye. I am along with my friends Srishti. This project of human eye in our school campus, as we know that human eye is one of the most sense organ in our body. Eyes help us to see everything in the world, and the diameter of human eye is 2.5 centimeter. There are 10 types of human eye in our body. Now the retina, vitreous humor, optic nerve, cornea, pupil, lens, iris, and aqueous humors, and the skeleton. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Botanical from Standard 8A. Today we are presenting Chandrayaan 3 is Indian Research Organization issue. Chandrayaan 3 is an Indian Research Organization issue is landed near the South Pole of August 2023. The mission goals is to demonstrate the ability and safely land and over to Earth's moon surface. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ayush Kumar. I read in class. Now I am represent this model of Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is and India is the only country to have reached the moon's southern pole. The mission includes a lander and a rover, and is designed to develop new technologies for interplanetary missions. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Muslim model of wastewater treatment plant. First of all, what is model of wastewater treatment plant? Processed water wastewater treatment refers to treatment of wastewater from coming from seaways, which is outside our houses. Primary, secondary, and tertiary these are examples of primary, secondary, and advanced wastewater treatment.
छोड़ दो
Good morning, everyone. I am Muslim model of standard 8. Today I am here to present the working model of wastewater treatment plant. First of all, what is working model of wastewater treatment plant? Processed water to wastewater treatment refers to treatment of wastewater and from coming from sewage which is in our outside our houses. Primary, secondary, and tertiary are examples of primary, secondary, and advanced wastewater treatment.
छोड़ दो
I am Anushka from Standard 8A. I am Mohammed. And I am Rachita. Today we are here to tell you about the global warming. So first of all, what is global warming? Global warming defined as the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and the harmful gases of the Earth's atmosphere, methane, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and etc. Global warming increases every year because of the greenhouse gases. The disadvantages of the global warming are loss of air and animal habitats, and increased air pollution and increased loss of acidic rainfall. Water shortages on many water scarce areas. Loss of permanent loss of blizzard and ice sheets, and most extreme weather. Save Earth, save life. Thank you.
Come on, Ria, speak. Sorry. Hey.
Neuron is directly means a unit of a nerve. It is specialized to transmit any messages to the brain. It is present in our brain, spinal cord, nervous and nerves. And now neurons.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Sakshi from class 9A. So I'm representing the working model of neurons. So basically mainly in here the veins divide the oxygen and carbon dioxide to our brain. So mainly in the lungs start pumping air itself, and when it pumps, the diaphragm get active. When it get active, it basically moves and help blood to flow through the veins. Thank you.
Very good, Sakshi. One of the finest valuable project. Let's move to another project. Elegance. The cell, the unit of living organism. The fundamental unit of living organism is cell, which is being represented by Shreya. Yes, Shreya. Kindly explain the topic.
Plants are eukaryotic system varying several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. Photosynthesis is the major functional performed by plant cells. Each plant cell will have cell walls, cell membrane, a nucleus, mitochondria, encapsulates, vacuoles, plastids, and vacuoles. Thank you. Good morning to all of you, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Rajshri from Standard 9B and I am here to represent the model of hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is a machine which helps in wastage fluids, blood, our kidney from no longer healthy enough to do this work accurately. It helps to purify the blood, our kidney, when get fails. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Judy from 9A. Here I am explaining about the eye. As we know that our eye is sensory organ which help to see anything surround us. If they get light and convert into the electrochemical neuron. First, light passes through the cornea which spread light to eye focus. Second, light passes through the lens which connect the light into the body. Thank you.
From class 9, today I am here to represent a hydraulic floor models. This is a mini hydraulic crane models. It is first invented by the William Armstrong in 1838 and it is worked to
सर अभी 10-15 मिनट बाद बात कर पाएंगे। Very good, Shivangi. The hydraulic crane it works on the principle of liquid compression. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shivangi. Now we are
From class 19 and I am very passionate about science, especially in biology, and I love exploring the different scientific concepts. Currently, I am working on a project that is the working model of heart. The heart is a fascinating organ that plays a vital role in our body, and the heart is a vital organ that regulates the blood through the blood pumps. That is, the heart is made up of 4 chambers, 2 ventricles, and 2 arteries. The upper 2 arteries are the receiving chambers, the lower 2 ventricles are the discharging chamber. The heart is located between the lungs, of the chest, and the heart's left and right sides are separated by a wall of muscle called septum. Thank you. This is my friend Vasha, and she wants to share some spill money information about heart. Good morning to all of you. I am Vasha from the standard 9B. Here you can see that this is the organ which carries blood from the heart to the circulatory system, and the superior vena cava which carries blood from the head, neck, arms and chest, and the pulmonary artery which carry oxygen to the blood from the heart to the lungs. I am going to represent my project which is all about how to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Commonly we see that battery converts chemical energy into electric, and solar cell produces electricity from sun energy. But if we want to produce electricity with mechanical energy, we need an induction generator. These generators are small enough to produce electricity. It is discovered by Michael Faraday. Thank you, and this is all about my project.
Take a minute. Let the working model be explained demonstrated by Aditi.
Hey everyone, my name is Sajal Preschool from class 9B. I am going to explain my project, that is Eye and Marvelous Brain Working Model project. Eye is the most important organ in human body. In eye, the cone shell that detects color, the 3 distinct colors that detect color, that is red, green and blue. The optic nerve connects brain to the eye. Billions of neuron cells make the organ that is brain. Brain is the complex and important which control emotions, thoughts, behavior, etc.
Yes, Saga. Can you tell me the outermost layer present in our eyes? What is the name?
That is cornea.
Very good. Can you name the region from where the light enters into the eyes? Very good. Very good, Savya. Your project is marvelous. Very good. Very good. Give them a very big hand, students.
I am Radha Sharma from class 9B. Now I can explain my project that is kidney. The main purpose of kidney model is to obtain information about target which cannot be easily observed, and the kidney is the internal organ. Kidney is the most important organ in human body. It has a bean-shaped structure located just below the ribcage on each side of its spine. Each kidney are the part of the urinary system. The three main parts are cortex, medulla, and pelvis. Thank you.
Very good. Wait a minute. Can you tell me what will happen?
Good afternoon, all my dear friends and respected teachers. Today I am going to explain my project centrifugal machine. Chop with water. When the centrifugal machine spins,
हम यही रख के चल जाएंगे तो जानते हैं ना
Wow, beautiful.
the wave particles centrifugal machine apply on it.
Very good. Very good, Rohit Jha. Very good. One of the finest projects. Let it work. Let it work. Let it work. Switch on.
Christian Huygens was the discoverer of centrifugal machine. Was centrifugal force.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rohit Jha. You have explained the wonderful project. Let's move to the other project, and it is microscope. Can you, first of all, you have to name the scientist who made the first simple microscope. Can you? Very good. You know the names. Now you have to explain what you are doing.
Good morning, everyone. This is my project microscope. Microscope is invented by Botanical Europe in 1666. It has two types: simple microscope and complex microscope. It is simple microscope. Microscope is used in seeing plant cells, bacteria, and everything. Plants and microscope firstly used for seeing dead organ cells by Botanical Europe. Thank you.
Very good, very fine project. Thank you. Now the next project will be represented by Raman of Standard 9, and he is representing the periscope. Yes, Raman, over to you. First of all, good morning to all my dear friends, respected teachers. I am here to present my periscope. This is periscope. This is made using two mirrors that keep the end of them at 45 degrees parallel to each other. Now you can see. Yes, let me check, and I can see everything clearly. Very good. Sir, please come and see the project made by Raman. What about your kaleidoscope? This is my kaleidoscope. It is invented by. It is one of the finest projects which represents the different patterns, isn't it? Rahul sir, please come and watch. It works on the principle of multiple reflection, where you can see the multiple image forms. The artist also uses kaleidoscope to use amazing patterns. Now further explained by Sumit Kashyap.
Good morning, everyone.
बड़ा बड़ा टचन करते हो
I'm going to explain about alarm. Before knowing about I would like to give you short information about earthquake destruction. Many countries of the world like Japan, Nepal, and other some part of countries, it occurs frequently and it causes a huge damage to the life and economic investment of their. This cardboard is square in shape and let be a earth surface. When we shake it, it means that earthquake occurs and sound like some. Like this type of
Beautiful. The working. Clap, everybody clap. Very good. Very good.
घर से बाहर निकल जाएंगे ना सर।
Yes, एकदम आवाज कट जाएगा मतलब भूकंप आ गया।
एक बार करो अगर घुमाया तो
कंपन
नहीं हो रहा है ला
हम कर देते हैं दिख रहा है हिले हाथ में दम नहीं
आइए
कैसे
नेक्स्ट
So let's move to the next project, which is made by Asnik Srivastava. Asnik, tell me what is the name of your project?
बंद कर लगता है ज्यादा हिल गया
A very good afternoon to respected directors, sir, principal, ma'am, teachers, staff, and all my dear friends. I am Astik Srivastava from class 9B along with my team to represent the model made by us. Here, we all know that National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February to mark the discovery of Raman effect by our Indian physicist Bharat Ratna Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman on 28th February 1928. And the theme of National Science Day 2024 is Indigenous Technologies for Viksit Bharat. Now, first of all, I will explain about my project, formation of AC drain. How AC drain form, what is caused, and what are the effects of AC drain, how we prevent from AC drain. Acid rain, as the name suggests, it can be seen as the precipitation of acid in the form of rain. The acidic deposition is take place in two ways, wet deposition and dry deposition. Wet deposition is any form of precipitation in which the acids are removed from the atmosphere and settle down to the surface of the earth. But in the absence of wet deposition, dry deposition takes place. In dry deposition, gases and other components stick to the ground with the help of smoke and dust. So, how acid rain is caused? Acid rain is caused by the chemical reaction that begins when two compounds, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, released into the air. They are rise up very high in the atmosphere and react with the oxygen, water and other chemical substances to form more acidic acid rain. So, what is the effects of acid rain? The ecological consequences of acid rain show that it was most strongly seen in the marine habits like lakes, streams, marshes, etc., etc. And it is strongly seen in the marine lakes, also rivers and other rivers. And according to the ecological consequences, acid rain has detrimental effect on the freshwater, soil, trees, and aquatic animal and other animals also. It also causes pain to feel corrosion of steel structure, metal buildings, and destructions of sculptures and historical monuments also. Acid rain also affects the health of plants. It affects the health of plant very badly as it changes the pH of soil. The changes of pH of soil, the plant is growing on the soil, therefore overall affecting the pH of soil. And it also destroys the basic nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus of the soil, which is essential for the plant's growth. What is the source of acid rain? The source of acid rain is transport industries and power plant that release most huge amount of nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide that causes acid rain when these both are rise up in the atmosphere and react with the water molecules that form the sulfuric acid as well as nitric acid, which causes the acid rain. And they are the principal chemicals. Nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide are the main principal chemicals of the acid rain formation. Now the question is how we prevent from the acid rain and how we reduce this. So it is the main point of today, that how we reduce acid rain, because it is too much harmful for aquatic animals, other animals, historical monuments, plants, and also for us. So how we prevent us? Alternative source of energy should be used, such as wind power, solar power, and renewable energy should be used to prevent from acid rain. And other electricity energy like hydropower, geothermal power, and nuclear power energy, electricity must be used to prevent from acid rain. Now I will show you the formation of acid rain. Here you see that the clouds thunderstorm, and after that the acid rain is happen here. Thank you very much.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Good morning everyone, I am Preeti Agrawala from class 9A and I am today going to explain my group project, which is home security project. This is home security project, and in some house CCTV camera are used, but we cannot see the face of the person. But whenever someone tries to enter the house, it will start ringing, and the person in the house can get alerted before any danger. Like someone entered the house, it will start ringing. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you very much. Show us the demonstration. How does it work?
Yes.
The sensor is working properly. Very good. Let's move to the project of Muskan. Aditya L1 and Muskan and company, Nandini Sekhawat, Aparajita, Ananya Mishra, Srishti Silva. The project Aditya L1, India's journey to study the sun. So start explaining what is the motive of this project.
मार ले जानता नहीं क्या सुन है मार
क्या कर रही हो तुम लोग? लाइन में हो?
ये देखो
एक्सप्लेन कुछ
इसमें देखो
नहीं है,
इसमें
उसको भी एक्सप्लेन करना है।
सीधा करके
रिमोट का यूज करो ना,
थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर इस पे
तुम भी पैर से ऊपर।
Now the working model L1. Let's check how does it work. यहाँ पे आदित्य L1 प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च होने वाला है. 1, 2, 3, go. Very well done the working model. Thank you Muskan, Nandini.
नहीं बंद है।
You can also.
14 हो गया है, रिकॉर्डिंग वाला पहले बंद हुआ।
22 हो गया।
Yes, Mayank Maurya.
A very warm and basic good morning to all of you. My name is Mayank Maurya from class 9. Today, we are here for showing our project, that is water level indicator. First of all, thank you so much for giving us a golden opportunity to show our project. Our project is water level indicator. Here, this project is it helps us to detect the water level and also measure the level of the water. Now, it helps us to measure the water level and also the depth sensor, pressure, as well as ultrasonic detection and conductivity of the water. Now, we show this project. Here, Bala putting the water into the bottle. Now you can see that. Here, you can see that the lower level of water, where light blink to the white, and when water increases, it can show that the water will be at 50%.
Okay.
A very warm good morning to all my respected directors and principal ma'am and all my dear friends. My name is Ravi Kumar from class 9B and I am today here to explain about automatic street light. Automatic street light control system is a simple and powerful concept which is used as a switch. It automatically switch on lights when the sunlight goes below the visual region of our eyes. It contains sensor. The name of sensor is light dependent resistance, LDR. LDR is a sensor which detects the presence of light which helps to turn off and turn on the automatic street lights accordingly. So this is project. Here we can see that this automatically turn off when the sunlight comes. When our visible region of our eyes sees this sunlight, then it automatically turn off. So this is can be used in by government units and municipalities. It can be seen in parks and residential or recreational areas, and it can also be seen in night visibility. It can be tested as night visibility, and it contains main three components in the automatic street lights. This contains sensors LDR which is used to presence of the light, which helps you automatic turn off and turn on the automatic street light respectively. And here contains specific sensors, infrared sensors. Infrared sensors is used to adjust the brightness of the automatic street lights. Here we can see that this works on the automatic street lights, and this contains a specific sensor. The name of the sensor is light dependent resistance.
Sir,
thank you.
Thank you very much. Very good, Ravi. Very good. will move to the next project. And the next project is being explained by Aradhana. Aradhana and company. Aradhana, Anjali, Sadra.
इसमें है किसमें है कहाँ है दे फोन दे कौन सा आपका है हम अपना फोन चूक के नहीं पकड़े
Yes, Aradhana, explain the topic.
अपडेट कर एक अपडेट कर
50% देती हूँ And here I'll explain my model that is solar, windmill and hydropower plant. First we discuss about hydropower plant. Hydropower plant is used to produce electricity from water. As we know that electricity is produced from coal, but we also know coal is inabundant as a mineral fuel, and it gets much important for transportation. So that's why hydropower plant is an important fuel to convert electricity, to convert kinetic energy into electrical energy and produce electricity. In our country, there are many resources are present, many water resources are present to produce electricity and to fulfill the needs of the human. And let's now perform how this works hydropower plant.
Yes. Yes, the working model. Very good.
When water is dropped from the certain heights, it moves and electricity is flow through the wires and glue the bulb. This show that the hydropower plant produce electricity.
Thank you very much. Very good. Thank you for presenting the group, and the project was very.
शेयर करो शेयर
Solar technology, the sunlight converted the electrical energy through the photovoltaic panels or the mirror. Then we use this, we produce energy. You can see the solar panel is situated in this. The sun ray are
come on solar panel
the sun ray are come in the solar panel and the light are blue. And other windmills. They have 3 wings and they rotate by the pressure of the air and the wires and the windmills situated in this model. The electricity through the wires and this house light was glowed. So this show that the windmill also produce the energy like the solar panels and the hydropower electricity. Thank you.
Wait a minute.
That's all this project. As we know that the coal is present in abundance as a mineral fuel. So why we use these natural resources to produce electricity. As we know that coal is present only in the East India, and when we transport it, it gets much efforts and amounts. Thank you. Yes, sir. It is a smart dustbin. My model is smart dustbin, which is required in the modern time. When somebody comes with dust or waste, it senses them and open automatically. Let's perform this, how they open automatically and how it is senses. बंद हो रही है सर.
This is the dust, the waste. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful project.
It attracts everyone, especially children. It helps us to clean the environment neat and clean. You know that in these days many things have been invented, like a smart TV, a smart phone, and smart city. So based on this pattern, I have invented smart dustbin. Thank you to Kundan sir who gave me this opportunity to represent my model and is meant to organize this event and all my team members. Thank you.
बस रे.
Pollution and global warming. In this model, there are many factories.
Thank you very much, Sarah. You have a wonderful project. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Show me the working. How does it work?
Sir, for giving me this opportunity to represent our body.
Thank you. This is how the project of Sarah and Indra is working. along with Manisha and Balaji. Thank you everyone for making the project.
Present our working model of solar eclipse. It is a model when the moon comes between in the earth and the sun and hides sunlight and creates shadow on the surface of the earth. It is a natural phenomena that occurs when the sun, earth and moon comes in a straight line. It occurs and gives information and opportunity to study about the earth atmosphere when in an uncommon conditions.
Can you name the two types of shadows formed during?
Dark shadow and light shadow.
What is the actual name of dark shadow and light shadow?
Lunar ellipse and solar ellipse.
Okay, very good. It was Amar and Panumra. Let's move to the other project, which is being represented by Sangam. Yes, Sangam. This is the nuclear power plant.
Good morning to all of you, teachers.
Nuclear power plant.
Yes, start explaining.
Good morning to all of you, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Sangam Kumari from Standard 9. My model is about nuclear power plant. How do you work? When the river water comes in the cooling tower, which filters the water and goes the water into cooling condenser water, and they send the water in the contaminated building, and the water heats and forms steams. These steams move the turbines and start the generator. These generators produce electricity to store the power generation, and this is work. When the rest stays, because the left is a containment building, these steams comes to the condenser and these steams cool and converted into water, and this water goes to the water vapor cooling tower. So this was all done perfectly, but in case the fire was broke out, so that's why we situated the fire safety building and the fire vehicles to extinguish the fire. Thank you.
Thank you. Sangam, thank you.
Thank you. My name is organized this event and my mentor, Professor, who gave me this opportunity to explain my model. From Standard 9, today is a science exhibition and I am going to explain brain detective, which is brain detective, and whose member name is Nisha Kumari, Amrita Raj, Amrita Kumari, Kanshi Swara. This is a brain detective. If any droplets on the water of the bed on the bed
थैंक यू बोले खत्म कर
Science exhibition, my project work is all about rotation of the earth, which digest and natural resources I'm going to show that the earth day and night occur when the earth rotates on its axis is known as rotation, and the earth rotates around the sun. It's called revolution, as the earth day and night occur. Thank you. I am Vaishnavi Kumari from class 9B. I am from SD Public School. Here I am here to show a model of hydraulic robot hand. This hand is basically made up of a cardboard and used syringe. It is mainly used in physiotherapy. As you can see that how it works.
अरे भाई इधर आना
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Kumari of class 9B and today I am here to show my science project that is a floating fountain. So this is a floating fountain. As you can see, the water comes from it. But there is no supply of water and it stands usually and it looks amazing by it. But if you understand its concept well and you if you observe it, then you will know that it is not a magic, it is just a science. For making it, we need a basket, a tap, a glass tube, and a motor. After arranging it, your own floating fountain is ready. Thank you. Just see how it works.
चला कि हमको ठंडा कर
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my project is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is the house when the moon comes between the sun and the earth and hides the sunlight and forms the shadow on the earth. It is a natural phenomenon. Very much. From this is the model of moving robot.
No students are allowed to go out. कोई बच्चे नहीं छुट्टी नहीं होगी.
ए तू कपड़ा नहीं जला देना ए
तो ये बैड ईयर को इनहेल करता और एक्सहेल करता है तो भी ऐसे फेस को बस थैंक यू. Good morning everyone. My name is Kumar and I am here to represent my project which is Smart Fire Extinguisher. As we know that many houses were burned due to fire because firefighters were not able to reach on the time. So this project will used in our homes, schools, buildings, etc. To extinguish fire. So
अभी अपने जगह पे चलो लगा लगा नहीं चल रहा है, नहीं गिर रहा है, साले नहीं गिर रहा.
so that's how it works.
And I am here to represent my model that is automatic hand sanitizer. We know most of the diseases are caused by hands and viruses spread from hands. So we can use this model in hospitals, schools and many public places to prevent the pandemic diseases. Thank you.
A warm and pleasant good morning to all. I am Vaishnavi Kumari of class 9B of ST Public School, Patna. And today I am here to show my science project on the occasion of Science Week. I have made two science projects. First is this smart city and second is this drip irrigation system. So first of all, drip irrigation system was explained by my friend CRH. Drip irrigation is a system Drip irrigation is a system or a trickle system is a micro system which the potential is there to save the water and nutrition by allowing the water to produce the nutrition. Either to save the root of a plant from either from above the superficial plant, which is the energy to control the water to save. Drip irrigation is the goal to Drip irrigation is the goal to place the water and directly into the root zone and minimizing the evaporation. Drip irrigation is sufficient to more irrigation. It is a such type of irrigation to sufficient to the other type of irrigation. Such type of irrigation, this is called a sprinkle irrigation and
surface irrigation. That's it, and thank you.
That this is my model of smart city. This is a smart city, as you can see. So here I used to fit so much concept in it. First of all, it is said by my friend C.
As you can
All the
hear,
girls and boys are requested कि सभी present रहे. एक last photography होने के बाद ही छुट्टी होगी आप सभी.
As you can see, this is a solar panel which is produce electricity, and this is the solar tracker which produces solar electricity by direction of the sunlight and keep through the producing energy by throughout the day. It is help us to save the conventional energy.
So this is a solar tracker, as you see. During the daytime, most of the time the sun changes its position, but because of this solar tracker, the solar tracker moves in that direction that the sun is present. My next thing is, while any car or any vehicle move on the road, it self-made electricity by the friction between road and the tire of that car.
As you can see, this is a wireless charging system which is the producing the energy. This is help to produce the running on the wide in the road.
I have also designed this smart city with the system of piezoelectric crystal. In this concept, when a heavy vehicle move on it, it produces electricity. While construction of the road, under the asphalt construction, the piezoelectric crystal should be put in it, by which electricity is produced and it is used in daily things.
The smart city has a
1%
smart
बैटरी
city
जल्दी
has a vertical vents which is produce energy by it is when it the verticals charge the electricity.
This is the vertical vents. This is a street light which must be needed for a smart city. These are the solar tracker. This is solar tracker, and this is solar panel which produces electricity.